Getting the old FE out of here. Well, we're about to get back at it on this cold spring day, cold wet spring day. We just gotta get this into there. Just start tearing it down. All right, and she's in. All right, so I'm gonna get working on the F-Zomb50, but I don't want to get my wonderful busted to built merchandise dirty, so I'm gonna get changing something more fitting to work with. Ow! Well, I got 8 of these bolts under the header tubes. And I can only turn the wrench about that far. I'm going to get this bolt out, and then I think I'm going to take a break and do something to amuse myself. Almost. It's like a loose tooth, man. There it goes. It's like a loose tooth. I should just pull that thing out of there. Oh. My gravity stole it. I don't know where. Oh, there it is. Got it. All right, time to make mischief. In case you're always wondering where the 10mm is going, you got too much trust in your friends. Wow, these little stubby wrenches here work a treat to get back in these little headers. You remember how the header comes out of here? If it does come out of here. Oh no, because the mortar mount goes through it, so I gotta pull them off. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, that's what a burned up header gasket looks like, in case you're wondering. Had a little exhaust leak there. Just a little one. This is a technique you use to keep your woman happy. Because you're busy working in the garage, not bugging her, you make her mad. They're just asking for ample amount of persuader, that's all. Up, twist it. Oh, wait. It's so close. Oh, it's so close. Oh, it's like one of those little twisty wire puzzle games you get when you're a kid. See, some people are going to get that fancy ceramic coating on their headers. I just put that good old Michigan dirt. I just got like speedometer cable and transfer case mount, transmission mount, motor mounts to go. But anyway, I'm gonna put you back on time lapse, get the rest of this done, and then probably start cleaning up the mess, wait for Curt to get back from his errands, and we get this motor yanked. Okay, well, I think I'm done with everything from below the truck, so it's going to lower back down and get some of the stuff on the inside taken out to get it easier to get everything pulled out when Curt gets back. So we're going to lower it down and remove the shifter. Alright, so I got the cover off it. I did forget to take the transfer case lever off from it while I was underneath. I just had to raise it back up and pull that off with just one bolt. But I'm going to show you how you get this shifter lever off. Just get this duck boot up. You push down on that and you give it a little turn, it pops off and the whole stick comes out. So I'm going to get you stuck on somewhere so we can see what's going on, and then I'll go ahead and do it because it takes 2 hands. Yoink! Just like that. So yeah, you see there, that just fits across a couple pins in there, and then you got a spring that kind of keeps everything tight. So. All right, got the old shifter out. Didn't record it because this is one bolt and a nut, and it was boring and it was up so tight you wouldn't be able to see nothing anyway. So Curt, Megan got back from their errand, so basically right in time because I'm ready to start yanking stuff out. So bring it on.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, a little chassis flex, huh?
Oh yeah, big time.
Daddy!
Oh, that could. Oh, yeah, that's it right there.
Yep, tranny's gone. Got the old transmission's gone. No, all we got left, we're gonna put a bell housing on here because it don't make no difference. But yeah, we're ready to get this motor up. To get this motor out, we're ready to get the whole truck down. But we're gonna do a quick look around, make sure we got everything disconnected, make sure everything's looking good. So looks like everything's out the way. So.
It's right on the front, isn't it?
That thing tipped a lot, huh?
Ooh, I'm getting leaked on all of a sudden.
What the heck is that?
Oh, it's probably heater hose or something.
No, it's water on top of the intake.
Oh, okay. Yeah, after I undid it.
Hey, you want to do the? You want to do this other bolt from this side? Get some motor decides to eject this stuff from the bottom.
To be honest, oh, your valve cover's keeping it over here.
All right.
Where your cylinder head is. I will. I just see how. I will come to the front, but it shouldn't go anywhere.
Yeah, I just see how far that tipped. I was like, ooh, yeah, that's
right.
We know which way it wants to go. So maybe it eject itself.
It's not a bad day to die. I wasn't planning. I know Megan wasn't.
Megan, I'd no longer be the best friends with you guys.
Right.
If I had to go in the house, hey, so I dropped a motor on Curt.
So Curt's dead, but I still need a motor in my truck too.
Remember the good news or bad news? The good news is the motor's out. Bad news is on top of Curt.
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess that's it, huh?
Mister, get this motor off of me.
Going down. Alright, we got our chain strung across. They just got a bolt to the water pump. Water pump's cast there, especially with straw. I found a hole in the back of the head. Got the chain bolted in there, so we're gonna hook her up and start yanking it up, and that'll be that. Let's get over here, get you a better angle at what's going on. Give you a good angle of us dying, potentially.
Death to us.
We're too good.
Yeah, you guys can't see anymore. Messing with it so much. Oh, it's gonna come right out now.
Oh, heck yeah. I think we're good. I think.
Oh yeah.
If I just push the truck straight back.
Yeah. No, that's a good idea.
Let me push the truck. Yeah, let me put it in neutral real quick.
Yeah, we'll just put it in neutral.
Thing rolls good.
Yeah, much lighter.
Oh. But as you can see, I missed a bunch of mud there, and a bunch of mud there, and a bunch of mud there, and a bunch of mud there.
Yeah.
But anyway, I guess that's the end of this video. The goal was to get the motor out, and we succeeded. So.
Yep. And if anybody's got a really nice yacht, we've got a really nice anchor for you. For sale right
Yes.
here. It can even be a land yacht. We've got an anchor for it.
Anyway, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Next video is going to be slapping that sun gun up in this son of a gun here. So I'd like to say thanks for watching. You have a great day. You go get your hands dirty like we did. A clean shop, a happy shop.